All right, mi gente, today we're taking out these filters, doing a filter change out on this York unit. It's a rooftop package unit. You guys can see these filters are filthy. They haven't changed them in a very long time. And this is what it takes, guys, to replace the filters. So whenever you're working on a rooftop unit, they usually have a door. It says filters on it, which is right there, but sometimes they don't. And this particular unit, it's a York rooftop. You guys can see right here. Here's the model right here. So sometimes you can see, depending, sometimes these stickers peel off or people rip them off. But I know it's a York because obviously it says York on it. There's a sticker right here. But whenever you're taking out these filters, guys, try to put the same exact filters in there. Also, another thing is, you gotta make sure the airflow filter right here, which the airflow, which direction. So this will be discharge, and this will be the, this will be the inlet. So this will come, the airflow is going this way, it's going out that way. So let's make sure you put the air filter the correct way. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy, guys.